Welcome to One Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. This channel helps you learn basic Japanese step by step. Today's grammar is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is のが上手です。のが上手です。のが上手です means good at doing. Let's practice with questions and answers. Question. 何をするのが上手ですか? What are you good at doing? Answer. 日本語を話すのが上手です。I am good at speaking Japanese. Question. スポーツをするのが上手ですか? Are you good at playing sports? Answer. はい、上手です。Yes, I am. Question. ピアノを弾くのが上手ですか? Are you good at playing the piano? Answer. はい、上手です。Yes, I am. Today's grammar was のが上手です。Thank you for studying Japanese with us. We upload new videos every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See you in the next lesson.